Microsoft Fabric was developed to help everyone, from the data professionals to the business users, innovate faster with data. In this demo, we'll show you how Fabric can help anyone go from their lakehouse to insights embedded in Microsoft 365. To do this, I'm going to use the new Direct Lake mode in Power BI. I simply click on the new Power BI Model button, select the tables I'm interested in, and I land in the Power BI web modeling experience. Without even leaving my browser, I can edit relationships, create DAX measures, and manage row-level security. With my data model created, I can click on the New Report button and create a beautiful Power BI report directly from the lake without any ETL or data duplication. But instead of creating my own report, I'm going to ask Copilot in Power BI to help. I just describe the report I want to build, including the specific insights I want to uncover, and Copilot will automatically analyze my data and provide a report based on my needs. And just like that, Copilot created a new report that is fully interactive. Copilot even added slicers at the top, and also conveniently gives me options to adjust the output to get just what I'm looking for. I can ask questions such as, which manager had the most revenue and top close percentage? And Copilot will respond by analyzing key influencers for variables in my data and add a new page that answers my question. Right away, I can see that Amelie Garner has the most revenue, but Peyton Davis has the top close percentage. With my report created, I can use Power BI's native integration with Microsoft 365 to infuse data where business users across my company already work every day. To start, I can select Analyze in Excel to open an Excel workbook, and the Power BI data automatically populates in Excel. I can then view and interact with them using pivot tables, charts, slicers, and other Excel features. I can even search for and find recommended Power BI semantic models directly from Excel and see the current Power BI reports using each model. I can also share my report directly with my coworkers in Microsoft Teams using the Chat in Teams button. But I want to make sure they always know how to find the report. To do this, I can simply add a new Power BI tab to the existing Contoso Revenue Teams channel and then add my report. Now, every member can easily access and review it whenever they need. They could also export this report to PowerPoint, which would automatically create a new presentation with a live, interactive Power BI report. Users can present this deck or copy the slide over to their existing deck and use it to drive clarity and improve storytelling in their meetings. After the meeting, the presenter can even share the report out by embedding it directly into the body of the email as a card, bringing data, insights, and visualizations directly to their attendees' inboxes. Starting with just simple data in your data lake, Microsoft Fabric helps you quickly model, visualize, and share your data so you can foster a data-rich culture across your organization.